हाय चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते। कैसे हैं आप सब? कुशल है ना? मुझे आशा है कि सब लोग कुशल होंगे। आई होप ऑल वेल एंड गुड। आपका स्वागत। वेलकम टू हिंदी वीडियो क्लास। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, स्टे होम, बी सेफ, watch all the subject videos without fail. Okay, it is very useful for you, dears. What we are going to learn today? Yes, part 10, Kavva or Hiran. Kavva means, yes, crow. That is, and Hiran means deer. Okay, I think, do you know this story? Let me start. Yes, there was a small jungle in which a crow and the deer were friends. Okay, the deer was beautiful and huge. A fox always wanted to kill and seeking the right time for it. Okay, but if anyone comes near the deer, the crow will alert the deer by making sound ka ka ka. That like the deer was alert and escape from that place. Okay, let me start. Yes, एक जंगल में कौवा और हिरन रहते थे. एक जंगल, there was a forest. कौवा और हिरन, crow and deer were lived. Okay, रहते थे. वे दोनों दोस्त थे. They both were friends. दोनों, दो means two, दोनों means both. कौवा and the हिरन, दोस्त. They were friends. उसी जंगल में एक सियार रहता था. In this forest, a fox also lived. सियार means fox. उसको इनकी दोस्ती अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. He didn't like this friendship. Crow and deer friends, no. The fox didn't like it. दोस्ती अच्छी नहीं लगती. He didn't like it. एक दिन हिरन और कौवे से मिलने जा रहा था. One day the deer went to meet the crow. कौवे से मिलने, he want to meet. It was going. Okay, जा रहा था. वह रास्ते में एक जाल में फंस गया. There is the net in the way. रास्ते means way. There was the net. The deer was hanging in the net. वह सहायता के लिए इधर उधर देखने लगा. He want to help, so it saw here and there. इधर उधर means here and there. So anybody comes, that like saw, देखने लगा. तब वहाँ that एक सियार आया. The fox was came on that time. हिरन ने उससे मदद मांगी. Deer want to help. Okay, सियार ने मन ही मन जाल में फंसे हिरन को देखकर बहुत खुश हुआ. The fox was very happy in mind. Okay, the deer is in the net, so it was very happy in mind. उसने दांत दर्द का बहाया बनाया. दांत दर्द means tooth pain. I have tooth pain, I can't help you. That like दांत दर्द means tooth pain. That like is acting. Okay, वहाँ से चला गया. He went out from the place. चला गया means went. वह झाड़ में छिप कर बैठ गया. झाड़ means bush. There was near one bush. He was sat secretly. What will happen? That like want to see. So it was sat secretly. Okay. थोड़ी देर में हिरन की खोज में कौवा वहाँ आया. Few hours after, थोड़ी देर, few hours after, the crow was searched the deer. खोज means searched and came that place. वहाँ आया, came that place. हिरन की दशा देखकर दुखी हुआ. He is a real friend, no? So it was very sad. Okay. कौवे ने हिरन से कहा, तुम जमीन पर मुर्दे की तरह लेट जाओ. Crow gave an idea. हिरन से कहा, he told to deer, तुम जमीन पर मुर्दे की तरह लेट जाओ. He lay down on the floor like the dead body. मुर्दा means dead body. Okay. जब शिकारी जाल समेटने लगा तब तुम उठकर भाग जाना. He want to prepare the net, no? That time he will escape. That like gave an idea. Okay. थोड़ी देर में शिकारी वहाँ आया. Who is शिकारी? Yes, hunter. After few minutes, the hunter came. हिरन सांस रोक कर लेट गया. सांस means breathe. He stopped the breath and then lie down the floor. लेट गया means lie down. शिकारी ने उसे मुर्दा समझा. शिकारी was thought the deer was died. मुर्दा, it was died. वह अपना जाल समेटना लगा. तब हिरन उठकर झाड़ी की ओर भाग गया. Suddenly the deer wake up and run away from the place. झाड़ी की ओर, run away the bush, near the bush. भाग गया. भाग means run. शिकारी ने उस ओर लाठी फेंकी. The hunter was angry and then throw the लाठी. लाठी means stick. One big stick throw away. The लाठी हिरन को नहीं लगे. The stick is not by the down the deer. वह लाठी झाड़ में छिपे ही शिकार को लगी. It beat the fox only. शियार मर गया. The fox fell down and died. शिक्षा. What is the moral of the story? जैसे सोच वैसी फल. How to think that only we get the fruit. We think good means we get good fruit. We think bad means what happened? Yes, we will get bad fruit only. Okay, like the result. Understood? Yes. Next, Shabdarth. First one. Shabdarth meanings. First one, Siyar. Siyar means, yes, fox. Hiran. Next one, Hiran, deer. Third one, Sahayata, help. Sahayata means, yes, help. Fourth one, Dard. How to read? Yes, Dard, pain. Fifth one, Murda, dead body. Murda means, yes, dead body. Lati. Lati means stick. Seventh one, sametna, to roll up, the net, no, sametna. Eighth one, bahana, prudent. Bahana means prudent. Shikari, yes, hunter. 10th one, khoj. Khoj means search. 11th one, rasta. Rasta, way. Okay. 12th one, jal. Jal means net. Next, rikt sthan bhariye. Fill in the blanks. First one, एक दिन हिरन डैश से मिलने जा रहा था. One day the deer went to meet dash. Yes, the answer is कौवे. कौवे से मिलने जा रहा था. It want to meet कौवा, no? Yes, that only the answer. हिरन सहायता के लिए डैश and dash देखने लगा. The deer was want to help, so dash and dash saw. Where it was saw? Idhar udhar. Answer is idhar udhar. Idhar means here, udhar means there. It saw here and there. Want to help. Okay. Third one, सियार मन ही मन जाल में फंसे हिरन को देख डैश हुआ. The fox was happy in mind. बहुत खुश. Answer is बहुत खुश. It was very happy. बहुत खुश means very happy. थोड़ी देर में डैश वहाँ आया. After few minutes, dash came there. Yes, कौवा वहाँ आया. Okay. शिकारी ने उसे डैश समझा. The hunter was understood dash. Yes, he was understood. It is a dead body, murda. Deer was died. That like understood. Okay. Next, सही या गलत लिखिए. Write true or false. First one, एक जंगल में कौवा और हिरन रहते थे. Yes, there was the jungle. Crow and deer were lived. Answer is सही. Answer is true. हिरन एक पिंजड़े में फंस गया. The deer was fell down the पिंजड़ा. Answer is गलत. थोड़ी देर में हिरन की खोज में शेर वहाँ आया. After few hours, the lion was searched and came. Answer is galat. There is not come the lion. The crow only came, no. So answer is galat. हम जैसे सोचते हैं वैसे फल पाते हैं. How to think? We have to think that like only we get fruit. It is the moral of the story. Answer is सही. हम जैसे सोचते हैं. How to think? That only we get the fruit. Okay. Next, कोष्टक में से उचित शब्द चुनो. Choose the best answer. Here given some animals house we should find out. घोड़ों का घर. घोड़े कहाँ रखते हैं? घोड़ों का घर क्या है? Yes, astabal. Horse house is astabal. It is called astabal. गायों का घर. Cows live in dash goshala. It is called goshala. Okay. Samp ka gar. Snake where lived? Yes. Bill. Bill means hole. Snakes. Samp means snake. Snakes are live in the hole. Chidiyon ka gar. Bats are lived dash gongsla. Gongsla means nest. Okay. Sher ka gar. Lion. Lion is lived. Yes. Gufa. Gufa means cave. Again I read. Godon ka gar. Astabal. Gayon ka gar. Goshala. Samp का घर बिल. चिड़ियों का घर घोंसला. शेर का घर गुफा. ओके. नेक्स्ट we are going to learn रंगों के नाम. Colors name. Do you know some colors? Here given many colors. Let me start. Yes. सफ़ेद. सफ़ेद white. पीला. पीला yellow. संतरा orange. लाल. लाल means red. गुलाबी pink. बैंगनी purple. Violet also बैंगनी. नीला blue. हरा green. भूरा brown. धूसर grey. काला black. Okay. Next we are going to learn spoken Hindi. My dear children, take your classwork notebook and write the book bag exercise, meanings, fill-ups, etc. Okay. And prepare well. Next we are going to learn बोलचाल हिंदी about the colors. आकाश. आकाश का रंग क्या है? आकाश means what? Yes, sky. What is the color? Sky. What is the color of the sky? Yes, Neela. Answer is Neela. Sky is blue in color. Okay. आकाश का रंग क्या है? Yes, आकाश का रंग नीला है. टमाटर का रंग क्या है? What is टमाटर? Yes, tomato. टमाटर का रंग लाल है. Tomato is red in color. Okay. लाल. लाल means what? Yes, red. दूध का रंग क्या है? Yes. What is the color of the milk? Yes, सफ़ेद white. दूध का रंग सफ़ेद है. Again I read. आकाश का रंग क्या है? Yes, very good. आकाश का रंग नीला है. टमाटर का रंग क्या है? Yes, टमाटर का रंग लाल है. दूध का रंग क्या है? Yes, very good. दूध का रंग सफ़ेद है. My dear children, spoken Hindi also prepare well. After that, we will discuss with your siblings, friends, relatives and your parents also. Okay? I hope it is very, very useful for you. Dhanyavad. Thank you children. Bye.